Network. TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good Wednesday morning, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien coming to you live from TFNN, 9 a.m. Eastern Time, Wednesday morning. We got 30 minutes to go until the start of trading, and we have markets in positive territory right now. Kicking things off, we have the S&Ps up by about 10 points. A little bit of volatility going on, putting things on a 15-minute basis. S&Ps were just above 4,200, hovering right near that area since about 2 a.m. Eastern Time. Still, we're up about 10 points or 0.25% in the S&Ps at 41.96. Tech stocks, NASDAQ 100, 13,702. We're positive by about 1/3%, 46 points in the green in the tech stocks. You get the Dow up 67 points, 34,336 in the Russell, up by almost 0.5%, up by 10 points at 2215. Bitcoin back above 40,000. We're up $2,800 on the session. That's 7.7% in the green for Bitcoin today. We got crude backing off a bit. We were as high as 66.51 yesterday. Almost made it right back up to those levels at about 3 a.m. Eastern time. Since then, a little bit of a sell-off to the tune of about $1 to the downside from 66.40. We're trading at 65.32 in the price of crude. Gold catching a bit. How about 19.15? Quite a price tag for gold. Right now, we're sitting up $10 at 19.10. Silver's up 10 cents at 28.16, and notes and bonds right now pretty flat. I think we're getting a transition from the roll from 1 month to the next. There you go. But right now we're sitting basically flat at 132.02. They're putting on that 10-year. The 30-year basically up 2 ticks as well, 157.03. And we'll jump over to the volatility index as we come into the long weekend. Volatility index still hanging relatively high considering where we are in the markets. I mean, you're talking about an S&P, folks. You put it on a daily, you're bumping right up against all-time highs in the S&P, and we have a slightly elevated VIX, still sitting at about 18 to 19 when you get the S&P sitting at 41.95. All right, what else we got going on? So Amazon, excuse me, they're going to be buying MGM. MGM includes the James Bond franchise. They're talking about $8.45 billion. Amazon will zoom in on the action this morning, slightly higher to the tune of about $14, $15 higher. We'll talk about this a little bit when we get back in terms of the price they're paying, $8.45 billion. Drop in the bucket for Amazon, of course, in terms of what they spend, the market cap of that company. You're talking about a company who's got 500 million shares outstanding at a price tag of $3,283 almost per a share. That would mean that you only need Amazon rising about $17 to add the market cap of that purchase. It's up about $17. Stay tuned, folks. We'll be right back for the morning market kickoff.